Hello everyone, I am Nitin Reddy from ECB section. Today I like to describe about the topic concentration cell corrosion. Corrosion cell. Corrosion is an electrochemical process involving the flow of electrons and ions. Corrosion occurs at the anode and the protection occurs at the cathode. Electrochemical corrosion involves the transfers of electrons across metal or electrolyte interfaces. Any corrosion cell consists of four parts. One is anode and second one is cathode and electrolyte and metallic path. Here we can see the diagram which is anode and this is cathode. The metallic path which will use it to transfer electrons from anode to cathode. Here we have to add an electrolyte. Concentration cells occur when the concentration of electrolyte in contact with the metal is different in two contact locations. The extent of this corrosion reaction is proportionate to the difference in concentration at contact points. It also varies with the types of electrolytes. If an area of electrolyte close to the metal show a lowered concentration of metal ions, the region has to turn anodic in comparison to different portions of metal surface. Thus, this part of metal corrodes faster so as to increase the local ion concentration in electrolyte. Here we can see diagram concentration cells. A concentration cell has the same electrolytes in each of cell, but the concentration of electrolyte in each cell is different. Here we can see first the diagram of an electrochemical cell. Here the electrons are transferred from anode to cathode. Concentration cell corrosion is most prevalent in the presence of oxygen. When pure oxygen comes into contact with the wet metal surface, corrosion action is enabled. However, the corrosion is most severe in areas that have minimum oxygen contact. Parts of metal that are covered by scale will corrode faster because the contact with oxygen for these parts is restricted. Concentration pitting can result due to these cumulative reactions. There are three general types of concentration cell corrosion: metal ion concentration cells, oxygen concentration cells, and last active path crystals. In metal ion concentration cells, the electromotive force is the difference in the concentration of metal ion in the water in contact with the metal's surface. In the presence of water, the higher concentration of metal ions usually occurs under the surface of carried pipe joints. Relatively lower concentration of metal ions exist near the surface in metal structures. A small electric potential develops due to the difference in metal ions concentration. The area of metal surface is contact with the lower concentration of metal ions, which become a cathode and remains protected. The area of metal surface is contact with the higher concentration of metal ions will become anodic and eventually corrode. The same metal has different electrical properties in the presence of different concentration of same electrolyte. In this case, a water solution of the ions of the same metal, the difference in potential forces the metal to develop anodic and cathodic reaction with it. The metal surface and the electrolyte solution complete the electrical circuit, a path for movement of electrons which enables the current to flow and for electrochemical corrosion to occur. Studying this type of corrosion is important because soil is a combination of metal ions at different concentrations. This becomes most severe when pipelines pass through swampy areas and that are adjacent to dry areas, or when a tank is located in dry soil but the water table makes some parts of tank's surface wet. Prevention: how to prevent the corrosion. Selecting materials with similar corrosion potentials. Breaking the electrical connection by insulating two metals from each other. Applying coating to both materials. The coating on the cathode is the most important and must be good condition, otherwise the galvanic corrosion could be worsened. Separating the two materials by inserting a suitable size spacer. Installing a sacrificial anode that is anode to protect both metals. Adding corrosion inhibitors to the environment. Thank you.